Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Solflare to Jupyter for best swap routes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Solflare to Jupyter for optimal swap routes, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Solflare wallet website. If you don't have a wallet yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once your wallet is set up, open the app or web interface. Next, locate the Connect Wallet option on the Jupyter platform. Click on the Solflare icon to initiate the connection process. Follow any prompts to authorize the connection between Solflare and Jupyter. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to Jupyter's interface. Now, select the tokens you wish to swap on the Jupyter platform. Input the amount of the token you want to swap. Jupyter will automatically generate the best swap routes available. Review the routes for fees and estimated completion time. Select the best route that fits your preferences. Confirm the swap details and ensure everything is accurate. Proceed by clicking the swap button to initiate the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see your new tokens in your Solflare wallet. Finally, check your Solflare wallet to confirm the swap was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.